Hey there, little builders! Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Welcome to our super fun construction site adventure. Today we're going to explore some amazing construction vehicles. I'm so excited to show you all the mighty construction vehicles today. These machines are big, powerful, and super cool. Ready? Let's get started. First up, meet the excavator. Can you say excavator? That's right. The excavator digs deep holes with its big arm and bucket. It's like a giant mechanical arm that scoops up dirt and rocks. Can you dig like an excavator? Dig, dig, dig. Imagine you're scooping up a huge pile of dirt. Fun fact, excavators can dig up to 48 feet deep. That's as deep as a 4-story building is tall. Wow, that's super deep. Imagine all the things you could find underground. Next, here comes the bulldozer. Everyone say bulldozer. The bulldozer pushes big piles of dirt with its giant blade. It's like a huge, powerful plow that clears the way. Let's all push like a bulldozer. Push, push, push. Feel the power as you move the dirt. Did you know? Bulldozers have tracks instead of wheels, so they can move easily on rough ground. These tracks help them stay stable and strong. Amazing, right? These tracks make sure the bulldozer can go anywhere it needs to. Look, it's the dump truck. Say it with me, dump truck. The dump truck carries heavy loads of dirt and rocks. It's like a giant delivery truck for construction sites. The dump truck carries heavy loads of dirt and rocks. It can carry so much at once. Can you make a honking sound like a dump truck? Honk honk. Imagine you're driving this big truck around. Fun fact, some dump trucks can carry as much as 28,000 pounds. That's like carrying 14 cars. Can you imagine how strong that truck must be? Whoa, that's a lot of weight. And now, meet the cement mixer. Say, cement mixer. The cement mixer mixes and pours concrete to make roads and buildings. It's like a big mixing bowl on wheels. Can you spin around like a cement mixer? Spin, spin, spin. Imagine you're mixing up a big batch of concrete. Did you know? The drum of a cement mixer keeps spinning so the concrete doesn't harden. It has to keep moving to stay soft and ready to pour. So cool! This way, the concrete is always ready when they need it. Last but not least, here's the crane. Everyone say, crane! The crane lifts heavy things up high with its long arm. It's like a giant arm that can reach way up into the sky. Can you reach up high like a crane? Reach, reach, reach! Imagine you're lifting something really heavy. Fun fact, cranes can lift things as heavy as 20 elephants. That's a lot of lifting power. Imagine how strong the crane must be to lift all that weight. Wow, what an adventure we've had. We met so many amazing construction vehicles. We met the excavator, bulldozer, dump truck, cement mixer, and crane. Each one has a special job to do. Now next time you're out and about, see if you can spot any construction vehicles. They're always busy building and making things better. And don't forget to share your favorites with your family and friends. Tell them all about the cool things you learned today. Thanks for joining me on this mighty construction vehicle adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. See you next time, little builders. Bye-bye. Keep building and exploring.